Today I'm going to show you my entire Coach Tea Rose collection and the many different bag styles and colors that I've discovered in this line. But first, if you're new to my channel, hello, welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. I'm really excited to do this video because the Coach Tea Rose collection is where my obsession with Coach bags began. I just thought they were incredibly beautiful, but sadly I was a little late to the party because the Tea Rose line had already been discontinued by the time that I started buying Coach. So almost all these items I'm going to show you today came from eBay or Facebook Marketplace, since buying direct was not an option. But that's probably a good thing, since I was able to buy most everything at a significant discount from retail. I think the best way to do this video is to start with my biggest Tea Rose bag and move down to the smallest, so let's get started. Here is my Mason Caryall. It's very similar to a Rogue style bag in that it has the handles, it has that center compartment with a zippered closure, and it has the two big pockets on the side. This one also has an additional slip pocket in front that closes with a C turn lock here. The top corners have this gorgeous metal frame with Tea Rose detail in gold and silver. So I'm going to show you the corners and what that looks like. It's held in by little screws, I believe. And it's on the front, not on the back. But I think this bag is absolutely fabulous and I love looking at it. Here is my Swagger 27 in the chambray color. It might not look like a Tea Rose bag at first, but it does have, next to these turn locks, these little Tea Rose details. Also comes with a little Tea Rose charm on the side here. And this 1941 hang tag actually didn't come with this bag. I took it off another bag and put it on here because I liked it. This is the best job I can do at tying a bow. I've tried to make bows look pretty, and this is kind of the best I can do. I don't want to like take it off because then I will never do it again the same way. So this is my Tea Rose scarf. I didn't expect the Tea Roses on this to be quite so cartoonish, but I still think it's pretty. So this is the Swagger 27. It has a zippered compartment in the center and then two slip pockets on the side. Here's another Tea Rose scarf. This one is in the pink color. You can kind of see what those roses look like on here. I have these incredible camera bags. I'm going to show you the inside because the inside is part of why this bag is so incredible. So here's the interior. Is that just the most precious lining you've ever seen? Oh my goodness. There's a zippered pocket inside with the Coach Creed underneath and a slip pocket on the other side. The top of the bag has these scalloped edges, and then look at the zipper. The zipper has a Tea Rose on it. Right here, there's a Tea Rose rivet underneath the strap. And on the hang tag, these hang tags are just incredible. You have more Tea Roses. So aside from the very beautiful turn lock on front, you have all these Tea Rose details on this bag. The only thing I don't like about the way this bag was designed is that this strap is, well, it's part chain strap for one, and the rest is leather, but I'll show you what I did on my other bag that's just like this. I believe this is in, it's either called ice yellow or vanilla. I've seen it called both, so I'm not sure exactly which color it is, but I'll show you the workaround I did on the non-detachable strap with my other camera bag. So here's another one in the cadet blue color. You have the Tea Rose detail on the hang tag. You have the scalloped edges on top, the Tea Rose rivet, and the Tea Rose on the zipper pull. And I actually asked my husband to cut off the chain strap that was not detachable. I told him please leave this D-ring because I want to be able to attach a strap to it, but I didn't want that chain strap. So that's why the strap is off, and now I can use my own strap with this bag. And let me show you the inside real quick. A little different from the yellow one, but it is adorable, I think. And I've used this bag quite a few times. I've taken it to concerts, the venue here where they have symphonies. You can have a bag about this size and it's fine, so it's perfect for taking over there. It says genuine glove tan leather on the back. Next, I have this incredible Tea Rose Dinky bag, and this is in the denim. And I don't actually have any other denim bags. I could not resist when I saw this turn lock detail here with the Tea Rose. I just can't get enough of those. This is an amazing bag. The back doesn't have any rose details on it. It's just the front. Next, I have a couple of clutches or wristlets. So this one is in the chambray color. And I'm not sure if it's coming through on the camera, but there is like little glitter in some of these tea roses. Makes it a little bit sparkly. And I had taken the hang tag off of this one to put on that Swagger 27. These come with a wristlet strap. This is just an O-ring that I put on the side to be able to hang it up. But it does also have these tiny little rings on the inside, so you could attach a strap with very small hardware to wear it crossbody. And I have the same one in black. This is called the black multicolor because there is a monochromatic black where everything's black, including the rivets. I have another black multicolor. This time it's in the Dinkier. So this is the mini version of the Dinky, and I am crazy about this bag. It's really small. It can hardly fit anything. I took this wristlet off of the, this wristlet strap off of the clutch that I just showed you. I have another Dinkier in the chalk color. It's just too precious. Now we're getting into the really small stuff. Here is a Coach Outlet Tea Rose item. And these were actually released more recently, so I was able to get this direct from the Coach Outlet. It's got the much smaller flowers and they're spaced apart, so if you see the tea roses look like this, it's probably a Coach Outlet item. This is the Snap Wallet. And here is a mini skinny ID case in the lilac color. Here is a charm. It's called the Parker charm, and it's got this incredible tea rose turn lock on front, but that's actually it's not real, a true turn lock. I'll show you that in just a second. It has snake skin on the sides, and this closes with just a regular snap. Last but not least, I have a Rogue charm. This is the charm version of the Rogue bag, and it's in the tea rose in the chalk color. So I'd love to know what you guys think. Do you have any of the Coach Tea Rose collection? Does this video inspire you to add some to your collection? Let me know in the comments. I have lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel for more collection videos, reviews, and comparisons. Thank you for